Welcome to the factory! See how these gears move? Now let's explore the candy factory! Wow! Look at that giant lollipop! Hello, kids! Today we will learn how a lollipop is made. See this tall grass, Rohan? This is where we get sugar from. It's called sugarcane. Look at the word harvest. That means the workers are ready to cut the sugarcane now. Look, the sugarcane is being transported to the factory. Transport means moving things from one place to another. Welcome, everyone! This is the main floor of the factory. Let's go explore. See how the machine crushes the sugarcane. It's turning it into sugar. This is the melting tank. We put the sugar inside, and the heat turns it into this thick, bubbly liquid. Colors are added to make candy fun. See, the machine adds different liquids to make them taste good. We call that flavor. The candy is shaped into lollipops. They are cooled down. They are wrapped in covers. They are packed into boxes. Welcome to the shop. Look at all the different lollipops we have here. Can you say shop? Now the lollipop is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.